In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a passkey from your Google account quickly and easily. So whether you're cleaning up your account or simply need to make some updates to your security settings, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred Google browser on your computer or device. From here, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on your account profile picture. This will open up a small menu where you'll see an option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Go ahead and give that a click. You'll find yourself on a new page dedicated to managing various aspects of your account. Look towards the left hand side of this page where you'll find multiple tabs. Here, select the one labeled Security. This section is where you'll manage all things related to your account login and security. Next up, scroll down a bit to find the section titled How You Sign In to Google. This area allows you to manage the different ways you can access your account. Here, locate the option that reads Passkeys and Security Keys and click on it. This action will bring you to a page showing the passkeys currently linked to your account. Before you proceed to make any changes, Google will require you to verify your identity. You'll be prompted to enter your password. It's an essential step to ensure that only you can make changes to your account security settings. Once you've done that, click Next to continue. Now you should see a list of passkeys associated with your account. Carefully review them and select the exact passkey you wish to remove. Once you've made your decision, look for the small X icon next to the passkey. Clicking this icon will initiate the removal process. Finally, a confirmation box will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the selected passkey. If you're certain about your choice, click on Remove. And there you have it, your passkey is now successfully deleted from your Google account. By following these steps, you've taken a crucial step in managing your account security, ensuring that your sign-in options are precisely how you want them. It's a good habit to periodically review and update your account security settings. Staying on top of these changes keeps your data and information safe and sound. Thanks for watching this quick and easy guide on removing a passkey from your Google account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you in the next one.